Hi, we are going to discuss about negative numbers addition. This is introduction in grade 6, year 6 students. So let's go for it. Negative 2 plus 5. So I'm going to introduce you new steps with few steps, right? With that, you will be able to understand this and do any negative addition positive question. Let's go for it. First, what you have to do, you have to forget about plus minus sign. What's that really mean? So here negative 2 plus 5 you have. So what I'm saying, you have to forget about plus minus. So I'm going to forget this plus minus. So here is 2, here is 5, right? What? First, you have to forget about plus minus when it comes to negative number addition, negative and positive addition. What is next? Then you have to figure it out. What is the big number out of these two? Here you have 2, here you have 5. Out of these two, what is big this now? 5 is bigger than 2, right? 5 is bigger than 2. So this is the big number. You know, 2 and 5. What is the big one? 5. Obvious. Step number 1, you forget about plus minus sign and write the numbers. So I write 2 and 5. Step number 2, you have to figure it out. 2 and 5, what is the big number? That's it. Let's move on to next. Now, so you wrote 2 and 5. You wrote 2 and 5. So we figure it out. This is the big number. Then you have to go to the original and see what is the sign of this number. So that number sign is here what? Positive. So then your sign is going to be plus. Then your sign is going to be plus. So then what you have to do, you have to write plus, final answer sign plus. Here you have to get the difference. 2 and 5 difference is how much? 3. So answer is plus 3. Right? Answer is plus 3. What? I will explain again from the beginning. First of all, what you have to do, you have to figure it out from two numbers, right? What is the big number? So first of all, you forget about plus minus and write. Then you have to figure it out what is the big number. So 2 and 5, what is the big number is this 5, obvious big number. And then what you have to do, next slide. So 2 and 5 you write, you have to go for the original and see the sign, which is plus. All right. So then plus you write, that is the final answer sign. Here you have to get the difference. 2 and 5 difference is how much? It's a 3. So answer is plus 3. So we'll practice this. Okay, I'm going to do another question. Let's say minus 8 plus 5. First, what you have to do, first step, forget about plus minus and write. So I write 8 and 5. Out of this, you have to see what is the big number. This is the big number. Right? Step number 1, step number 2. So you have to write that number sign. So you have to go for original and see what is the sign. It's a minus. So then what you have to do, you have to get the difference of it. Difference, 8 and 5 difference is 3. So we have found out the sign minus, so minus 3. That's the way. Once you practice, you can do any question. Understand first, then practice. Next one. Let's say 4 minus 10. Let's go through. Forget about sign and write the numbers. Then you have to see what is the big number. So this is the big number. So big number, original number, you have to go and see what is the sign. So sign is what? Negative. Then you have to get the difference. Here and here, 4 and 6 difference, 4 and 10 difference is 6. So answer is what? Minus 6. That's it. That's it. One last one. Let's do this one. 7 minus. By looking at, you can tell the answer. 7 minus 4 is 3. So let's see the way we learn. Two different signs, because here plus, here minus. Forget about plus minus. 7. What is the big number? This is the big number. You have to go and see original. What is the sign? Plus. Then you have to see the difference. 7 and 4 difference is 3. So plus 3. That's the answer. Very easy. Practice more questions, then you are comfortable with this. Thank you, everyone. See you with another video.